Shall we talk about the birds and the bees? No? Do you know about the birds and the bees?
Can you talk about something else?
Do you know how babies are made?
Yes. Please talk about something else.
How do you know? Okay. How do you find out how babies were made?
The pocket science book that I have.
What did it say?
It said everything I need to know.
Do you need more detail?
No. It's detailed enough.
You sure? You have to do biology one these days and then... Okay. If you don't want to talk about it now, when do you want to talk about it?
When I'm probably 15.
Okay, why 15?
15. Let's just make it that.
Okay, because my dad never told me about the birds and the bees. I had to find out from the Encyclopedia Britannica. In those days you have to use books. These days you don't have to use books.
Use Wikipedia.
Or whatever, right? You'll find out. But I rather you learn and we talk about it. Okay, so at your own pace, when you're ready, we can talk about the birds and the bees part 2. Since you know part 1, right? You sure? Is this uncomfortable?
Can I talk about something else?